Hello everyone, this is Jiten Kumar, your mathematics teacher, and today we are here with the new topic from algebraic expression. We are continuing the session of algebraic expression, and in the previous two videos we have discussed about the algebraic expression, the types of algebraic expression on the basis of the number of terms and the degree of polynomial. Okay, and about the polynomial we have also discussed there. And now we will learn how we can add or subtract the algebraic expression, or you can say the polynomial. Okay, so today we will learn about the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of the algebraic expression. Okay, we will try to cover all these four topics in this video, and if not possible then in the next video we will just take it that. Then addition of algebra. So addition of algebra, how we can add? Suppose we have two algebraic expressions, just take it like 5x square plus 3x plus 2, okay, and we have to add it with 3x square plus 2x plus 5, suppose. Okay, so for adding these two algebra we have two different methods that we commonly use. One is the horizontal method, and the second one is vertical method. So horizontal and vertical, actually the processes are same. There is not much difference between these two, only the technique that we use are different. Like in the process of horizontal addition, means horizontal method of algebraic addition, we just add it horizontally. Horizontally means in a straight line, means we will not write the numbers up and down. We will just write it in a line and just add the like variables with the like one and leaves the unlike one separately. Okay, so like and unlike we have discussed in the previous video, you know. Okay, so here suppose we will just try it with the horizontal method first. So with the horizontal method, how we can add? So you can see here this x square and x square are same, that is the like variable. So you can write first 5x square and 3x square. Okay, because these two are like terms, so just take it together. Okay, then the next one is 3x, and this 3x is equivalent to 2x, means it is the like term with the x. So 3x plus 2x, take it together, and then the constants, the constant that is 2 and 5, so add 2 plus 5, and now you can add it simply. 5 plus 3 is 8, so add numbers to number and variable will remain same. So add 5 plus 3 is 8 and x square, so this is 8x square. Now plus 3 plus 2 is 5, so 5x, and the next one is 2 plus 5, 7. So on adding these two expressions, 5x square plus 3x plus 2 and 3x square plus 2x plus 5, we have 8x square plus 5x plus 7. Okay, and this is through horizontal method, because we have all written all the expression, all the numbers in a horizontal line, and then we have added the like terms are added to like terms only, as I have told you in the previous video. So these x square are like terms, x is like with x, and 2 and 5 are constants, so we can add it like this. Okay, now with the horizontal with the vertical method, how you can do this? So in the vertical method, just simply write the expression in the vertical manner, and keep in mind that like terms are written in just front of the like variables, like 5x square, 3x plus 2, and below the 5x square you have to write 3x square, means like terms will always be written just below the like terms. Okay, you cannot write 2x here, 3x square here. Okay, so you have to just keep this in mind, that 5x square and 3x square will be written in front of each other, like 5x square, 3x square, then plus 2x, and then 5. Okay, so you can do it like this, where you can put plus. So 5 plus 3 is 8, x square, 3 plus 2 is 5, x, and 2 plus 5 is 7. So you can see that both the results are same. Okay, either we can do it by horizontal method, we can do it by vertical method, always it will remain the same. Okay, now hope addition of algebraic expression is clear to you. Just always keep in mind that only like terms can be added to like terms, unlike terms will be written separately. Okay, never try to add x square with x. Means you cannot write 8x square plus 5x as 13x square or x cube like that. Okay, so just keep this in mind that like will always be added or subtracted with the like terms only. Okay, now let's learn how we can do the subtraction also. Okay, let's learn. So for the subtraction also we can use both the methods, horizontal and vertical methods. Okay, so if we have, suppose 8x square plus 3x plus 7, okay, and we have to subtract this, okay, from 10x square plus 4x, or take it 2x for simplicity, 2x plus 3. If we have to subtract this number, okay, just take it as 4 and this is 10, so it will become easy for you, okay, for this time, because it is the initial expression. So 8x square plus 3x plus 7 from 10x square plus 4x plus 10, you have to subtract. Okay, one thing that you have to keep in mind in the case of subtraction, that how it is written. Suppose this is written subtract this from this. So most of the time students make a wrong concept that they always subtract this term with this term. Okay, this is actually wrong. Okay, if it is written subtract this from this, means you have to write this term, this expression above and this one below. And this mistake is made by the student every time. Okay, so just keep it in mind. Just see properly what is the question. If it is written like subtract this from this, if it is addition, then it is okay. We can add anyone, it will remains the same. But for the case of subtraction, it is very important to just see that what you have to do exactly. Means like here, you have to subtract this expression from this one. Okay, so this one will be written above and this one will be written downside. Like if it is 10x square 4x plus 10, so you have to subtract 8x square plus 3x plus 7. Okay, so this will be written like this. If you will write this one above and this one in the downside, then it will be wrong. Okay, so always keep in mind, if it is written from in between them, then you have to subtract the first one from the second one, not the second one from first. Okay, like if we have done in addition. In addition it is okay. If you are adding this with this and that with that, this is not a problem, but for the subtraction it is a problem. You will always make a wrong result. Okay, so this we can write as 10x square plus 4x plus 10 subtract 8x square minus plus 3x minus plus 7. Okay, so 10 minus 8 is how much? It is 2x square. Then 4 minus 3 is how much? It is 1x, or simply you can write it as x. 1x and x is same, and 7. So the result is 2x square plus x plus 7. Okay, for the horizontal method you can do the same thing. Like this one is the vertical method, because it is written up and down. So when we write in the vertical manner, means up and down, this is termed as vertical method for subtraction. And for the horizontal method, we just make the things in a single line, like 10x square plus 4x plus 10, and this, and don't forget to put the bracket also. Okay, so minus, and then because in the case of subtraction actually we need the multiplication of sign also. Okay, and that is also very, very important for you. If you will not take care of the sign in algebra, it will definitely make a wrong result. So just put the bracket. So this we have to subtract. What we have to subtract? 8x square plus 3x plus 7. Okay, so now it is 10x square minus, so this minus will be multiplied with each of these terms. Okay, like this minus will be multiplied with 8 and minus into 8 is in plus, so this is minus 8x square. So 10x square minus 8x square, then plus we can put here, then 4x, and this minus will be multiplied with this also, so minus into plus is also minus, so minus 3x, and then plus 10 minus 7, like this. Okay, so you can simply do it like this, and do not forget that you have to take care of the like terms. Like terms can also, always be subtracted from the like terms. You cannot subtract two unlike terms from each other. Okay, suppose you cannot subtract 3x from 10x square. You cannot write like 10x square minus 3x is equal to 7x square or 7x, like this. You cannot write, because x square and x are different terms. You can always subtract x square with x square, x with x, and number with number. Okay, so just keep this in mind, and do not forget to take care of the sign, because sign are very important in algebra. If you will forget the sign, you will definitely make a wrong result. Okay, so 10x square minus 8x square is 2x square, then plus this is x, and then 3. So this is your answer, and I think this is equal to the previous answer. So this is the way how you can add or subtract the algebraic expression. So hope it is clear to you. Algebraic expression, we can add and subtract it like this. Okay.